The rebuild of the 577 whistling billboard, also known as the Ringling Brothers Burnham Bailey billboard for American Flyer trains by A.C. Gilbert, is complete. It has been reassembled, and as you just saw, it has conducted preliminary tests on the lighting and the sound. As you can see, it turned out to be a nice piece. You can see the location of the new parts, specifically these, which are the mounting hardware. This, of course, will be pulled through the opening on the cover, which will be the next step, putting the cover on. That primarily is the location of these tabs, and then twisting the tabs after they're in. So let's do that real quick, and then we'll conduct another sound and lighting test and discuss the wiring just a bit. This is the final test of 577, the whistling billboard from A.C. Gilbert, American Flyer Trains. Number 577, better known as the Ringling Brothers Burnham Bailey whistling billboard with illumination. Little word about the wiring. Black goes to base. Yellow goes to constant power, 18 volts. And green will go to base. The green will control the whistle. So you'll need this green base wire will need to be interrupted by a button such that when it's depressed, you get this, or it produces this. It's turned out to be a very nice piece. Thank goodness the previous owners did let it go, and they did just sever the wires to take it off the layout, but that's okay. We were able to extend all the wires another 18 inches, and I think it's going to be a very handsome addition to my layout. I'm going to put it on my layout to replace one of the older whistling billboards so that it can be plainly seen by visitors. Thanks again for watching today's American Flyer Trains. So long, everyone.